Hey guys, today's recipe is dirty rice. We're going to show you how to make this simple, so simple Cajun recipe right at home. Alright, so what you're going to need is ground beef, and you're also going to need ground sausage, and you're also going to need onion, bell pepper, seasoned salt, Creole seasoning, and rice. And if you want to see how we make our rice, I'm going to link to the video above. Okay, so you just add your meat to the pan, and we're going to get this, of course, broken down and fried up, y'all. So what I like to do is go ahead and break my meat down before I add any of the other ingredients. So we're going to do that right here. Alright, then when I have it spread about in the pan, now it's time to add more ingredients. So go ahead and add your bell pepper in there, plenty of that, and your onion. Alright, mix, of course, just like we usually do. And we're going to go ahead and let this start to brown a little bit, and then we're going to, break it down some more, and then we'll add the additional seasoning. Y'all, just a few simple ingredients. It's really not hard to make this at all. You do not need the box mix or anything like that. Just a few ingredients, you can make it right at home. Alright, so we're about there where we, got it broken down pretty good. And as y'all can see, it's pretty brown right here. You can go ahead and add your seasoning a little bit before then. This is just at the time that I added the seasoning. Okay, so right here, we're going to add our seasoned salt, and we're going to also add our Creole seasoning. Alright, and of course mix that together again. And y'all, you don't want to use lean ground beef for this recipe because you're going to need the oil that's in the pan. Y'all see that oil down here? What I suggest is, if this is your first time making the recipe, once your meat is brown, go ahead and drain all of the oil off of your meat and set it to the side. And then after you've added your rice and you mix everything together, then add it back in there. You kind of want to gauge it the first time to make sure it's not too oily for you. But the oil is one of the key ingredients also to the flavor of this recipe. Okay, so our meat is good and brown. All our vegetables and seasonings are mixed together. So we're going to go ahead and add our rice. I made the rice in the Instant Pot. And like I said, I also will link that above, so you can go see the video of how we make our rice. And just add it in. I added a good amount, but of course mix and see if it's a good meat rice consistency. We're all different, so do what works for you. But I added this in, mixed it, and then I decided to go ahead and add some more rice. So you'll see in just a minute. And y'all, where I'm from Texas, but my dad's from Louisiana. Dirty rice is just a side dish. It's not your main course dish. You have this with some chicken and some greens and some cornbread and all that goodness. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more rice. Yep, right there. Okay, mix that right in. And after you've added your rice, you can also, make sure you give it a taste again. Make sure you have enough seasoning in there because, of course, the rice is just plain. So just check it again, and y'all, that's it. That's it. Dirty rice. Y'all, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely catch you next time.